Hello girls and guys, babies and babas. Well, in today's video, we're going to talk about the six most common phrasal verbs with its meaning and examples. The first phrasal verb we have is break down. This phrasal verb means to stop doing or working properly. For example, my car suddenly broke down on the way to the airport. The next phrasal verb we have is bring up, and this phrasal verb means to raise a topic or subject for discussion. For example, Jawad brought up the issue of the climate change during the meeting. So the next phrasal verb, or the third one we have, is call off. And this phrasal verb means to cancel something that has been planned. For example, the game was called off due to the bad weather condition. The fourth one phrasal verb we have is carry on. It means to continue doing something. For example, despite of the hurdles, he carried on with his plan. The fifth phrasal verb we have is catch up, and this phrasal verb means to reach the same level of status as someone else. For example, you need to work hard to catch up with your classmate. The last one we have is check in, and this phrasal verb means to register one's arrival at a certain place. Now I want you to write down your own examples in the comment section. Thanks for watching.